Okay, this is the latest version of Fred the Robot. I took it all apart, took the drivetrain out of it, took all the motors are still in, but everything else is taken out. Let me show you in here. The electronics bay is empty. The motors are still there, but everything else, I'm thinking I'm going to try to change the interior here somehow. So it's on its third or fourth rebuild now. This one's going to be more attractive. It's going to be shinier. It's going to be more steampunk somehow. I'm redoing some of the technology. There's the early makings of a schematic. So anyway, so it's winter 2019, later in January. I'm going to spend a couple months rebuilding this thing. Hopefully have it done for the spring or in the summer, and we can take it and have some fun. Okay, I'm going to start documenting all this. This time I'm going to write everything down. I'm going to make a log. I'm going to try doing this as a proper, managed project, and we'll see how it goes. Hopefully you guys can stay tuned, and I'll keep updating, and we'll figure out how to make this thing cool.